Welcome back to Little Bits of Everything. Subscribe, turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Hoorah!
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber or viewer, welcome back. In this video, I did a Barbie themed nightstand. I hope you enjoy it. I had lots of fun. I did step out of my comfort zone because I normally don't use these pinks or colors like this, but I did have a lot of fun and I think it turned out really cute. Well, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.